Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy face mask which has innumerable number of benefits. So yeah, so let me first tell you the benefits of this face mask. It will reduce your pimples. That is the main. So yeah, it helped me with my pimples. I don't know how much effective it will be for you, but it was really helpful for me. It reduces all the excess amount of oil that you have on your skin. It will reduce the tanning, and it more or less helps with all kind of skin problems that we have. Okay, now let me tell you the ingredients. That is multani mitti. It is the main ingredient, and multani mitti, all of us know it's the best. Like nothing can be better than multani mitti for your skin. Now this face mask is very easy to make, and that is why I am promoting it because I am personally a very lazy person. Okay, so if I can put in some effort to make this face mask, I am damn sure that you will do. You will do make this face mask, and once you start getting this results, which I'm pretty sure you'll get to see within 1 or 2 uses of this face mask, you're going to repeat it. Like, I swear it's so good. So without further ado, let's just quickly show you how to make the mask, how to use it and stuff. Okay, so I'll just show you how to make it.
Firstly, I'm using this multani mitti, and I'm going to take 2 pinch of it, like this much. Can you see? Yep, this much. Okay, that is enough for your full face. Then I'm going to use the gulabri rose water. I'm using gulabri rose water. You can go for any possible rose water that is available in your market. And that is it, guys. That is basically it. So see the amount that I'm using, that is it, that much. Okay, this much we need. Now we have to just mix it. Add some water. Don't use any further rose water, just need to add some water. So I have just added 1 tablespoon of water to it, and you can see the consistency. This is the consistency, guys. Just a consistency of thick face mask. Okay, so now let me just quickly show you how to apply it, and we'll be back.
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, I'm back again. I've made the mask. I've shown you how to make it. I've just tied my hair, you see, because I have to apply the mask. So yes, I'll apply it with my hands only. I'll apply it. Okay, I'll apply it mainly to the pimply area that I am having. I have no makeup on. I have nothing on my skin, not even moisturizer. I've just washed my skin nicely, and that is it. Just nicely applied. Hairs are coming. Okay. How is it? I'm looking horrible, I know. But we'll wait for some time, maybe 30-35 minutes, and after that I'll be back again. I'll show you how it looks when it dries up, and then we are going to wash it out, and then I'm showing you how much glow it gives. You won't believe me. So let me just wait for some time, and then I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone, back again. So I just wanted to show you all that my skin has dried, I mean the face mask, and so yeah, now just let me tell you something, that is ये face mask dry होने के बाद ना ये बहुत ही खिंचा खिंचा सा feeling देता है, तो that is pretty normal. Just don't wash your face like that. Wait कीजिए, after 30 minutes go and wash. So which I'm going to do, I'll wash my face and I'll show you how the glow looks like. Okay, so yeah, till then bye. So yeah guys, I washed my face and I've taken off the face mask with cold water. So that was it. You can see my face, it's far more relaxing I'm feeling. So yeah, it was really helpful for me. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope all of you like it, and write in the comment section what all videos you want me to make.